Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you is it possible to withdraw money from Cryptomania into your bank account. So we are going to show in this video. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and download the Cryptomania trading simulator. So once you download, let me show you the app. You get $3,000 balance. So how you can withdraw that into your bank account. So let me show you something. So we are going to close this and we are going on to the Google. So here you can see that Cryptomania is a crypto exchange trading simulator that can help you get on board the cryptocurrency market and try your hand on in trading. So basically this is a demo app that you can use to learn how to trade in crypto. So you are unable to withdraw that money into your bank account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.